Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 17th October. Let's start. In the year of 1456, on this day the University of Greifswald was founded. It is the second oldest university in Northern Europe. In the year of 1817, on this day Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, the founder of Aligarh Oriental College, was born. In the year of 1874, on this day, a pontoon bridge over the Hooghly River was opened for a traffic to connect Kolkata with Howrah. Later, Howrah Bridge was constructed in place of this bridge. In the year of 1888, on this day, Edison applied for a patent for the optical phonograph. It was the world's first film. In the year of 1892, on this day, politician and the first finance minister of independent India, R.K. Shanmugam Chetty, was born. In the year of 1906, on this day, Swami Ram Tirth, known for teaching practical Vedanta in a highly personal and poetic manner, passed away. In the year of 1923, on this day, the famous writer Shivani was born. She is also known as Gaurapant. In the year of 1933, on this day, the famous scientist Albert Einstein emigrated to America from Nazi Germany. In the year of 1936, on this day, the famous Hindi literature Dudhnath Singh was born. In the year of 1949, on this day, the Constituent Assembly accepted Article 370 of the Constitution. Under these special provisions were given to Jammu and Kashmir. Article 370 has been abolished in 2019. In the year of 1970, on this day, Anil Kumble, the architect of Indian spin bowling, was born. Kumble is the first player in India and the second in the world to take 10 wickets in an innings in Test cricket. In the year of 1979, on this day, Mother Teresa was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for Peace. In the year of 1989, on this day, a major earthquake hit San Francisco, killed 9 and injuring hundreds. In the year of 1994, on this day, Kapil Dev, the former captain of the Indian cricket team, who won the World Cup for the country on 25 June 1983, played the last one-day match of his Test career against West Indies in Faridabad. In the year of 1998, on this day, Lalan Prasad Singh, the governor of 5 states of India, passed away. In the year of 2003, on this day, China succeeded in sending humans into space as the first country in Asia and the third country after Russia. In the year of 2004, on this day, New Zealand Prime Minister Helen Clark reached India. In the year of 2007, on this day, the Dalai Lama received the United Nations Congressional Gold Medal. In the year of 2008, on this day, Sachin Tendulkar became the highest run scorer in Test cricket, breaking Brian Lara's record and completed 12,000 runs in his career against Australia. In the year of 2009, on this day, Maldives, located in the Indian Ocean, held the world's first underwater cabinet meeting and tried to warn all nations of the danger of global warming. In the year of 2020, on this day, the country's largest paramilitary force, the Central Reserve Police Force (CRPF), collaborated with IIT Delhi, Defence Research and Development Organisation, and Joint Centre for Advanced Technology (JATC) to enhance its research and development capabilities. In the year of 2020, on this day, Safe City project was launched by the Governor of Uttar Pradesh, Anandiben Patel. Safe City project is a women's safety campaign in Lucknow, UP. In the year of 2020, on this day, Advocate Rohan Jaitley, son of late Union Minister Arun Jaitley, was elected unopposed as the president of the Delhi and District Cricket Association. In 2021, today International Day for the Eradication of Poverty is observed globally. It is celebrated on 17 October every year. The day aims to raise awareness of the need for poverty and poverty alleviation around the world, especially in developing countries. That's all. Thanks for watching and support. Kindly share the video to your friends and your colleagues.